What up, everyone? Crypto Marxist, aka Bone Army, coming at you. So, if you like the Shiba Inu ecosystem, Shiba, Leash, Bone, and of course Shiboshi's the NFT project, stablecoin Shi, and the upcoming Treat Reward token, you're in the right place. So, I wanted to talk about Bone. Bone is mooning. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a little technical analysis, and I'm gonna give you a little background in case you don't know what Bone is. I know Bone is new to a lot of people, so I want to make sure I give like an intro to it. So first off, Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is developing a blockchain. That blockchain is a layer two on top of Ethereum, and the name of that blockchain is Shibarium. Shibarium's gas token is Bone. So Bone has been mooning, and that's what I want to talk about. Go ahead and also hit that sub, hit that like, and if you have any comments, go ahead and leave them comments as well. So just a quick little background: what is Bone? With a total supply of 250 million tokens, Bone is the foundation of the powerful powerful Shibarium layer 2 network. All Shibarium users will need Bone to power transactions as a gas fee, making it vital to the decentralized ecosystem. Moreover, it is one of the ecosystem's governance tokens and governs technology in this unique global decentralized structure. Wolf. So that is a background to it. So let's go ahead and just check a little bit of what the trend lines are looking like. It has been, like I said, Mooney. Look at this. This is the 30-minute. If I show you here, in fact, I'm not even showing you. My bad. This is the 30-minute right here. If I show you the 1 hour, you guys could kind of see how it really has been mooning. It's been spiking. Look at this. Bop, sideways, bop, a little retrace, bop, back up, bop. So I'm expecting a little retrace over here, but it's at those crucial levels. In fact, part of the reason why I'm making this video is based on my technical analysis between 147 and 170 is the area where Bone actually has the potential to moon. In the past, it shot all the way up to like 190 something past $2. So I do want to show you that as well. Let's go ahead and check out some of the differences between Dex tools and Gecko terminal. All right. I just want to see. So the total liquidity stands at $3.32 million, 24-hour volume, $168,380. So $168,380. The market cap, $384 million, 960,000. Circulating supply 229 million. Of course, we did get informed by Shaitoshi in his latest blog. If you guys haven't read it, I'm gonna try to go ahead and post it somewhere on top so you guys can go ahead and get my analysis on it. And I went ahead and read it for you guys, so you guys don't even have to worry about it. But they're gonna go ahead and mint that Bone. So does that mean that when they mint that Bone, because it's 20 million, it's a little under 10%? Does that mean that that's going to be um, put in a separate wallet, or is it just going to be um, well, I don't know. It's just I wonder what is going to happen with the price. Basically, is there going to be a downward pressure of that 8 to 9%? But because there's so much buy pressure right now, I really don't even think it matters. So sitting at $385 million. Let's go ahead and check out the other one though, because this one's the one that's more. My TA is way more in depth in this one, just because I have different levels. I hate how it looks, but Dex Tools was acting up, as you guys know. So because of that, I wanted to still keep up with my charts. This right here, though, is what I believe might be one of your last chances to get Bone under $1.70. Okay. I know everybody's budget is different. Okay. If you can, and this is not financial advice, but if you can get 10 Bone, get 10 Bone. If you can get 100 Bone, I would suggest you get 100 Bone. Not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do. This is all theoretical. If you could, if I could, okay, get 1,000, I would get 1,000. If I could get 10,000, I would get 10,000. There is no amount of bone that is too much bone, in my opinion. Bone is our second opportunity. It's like a Bitcoin, it's like an Ethereum situation. So, understanding that, I want to put that out there for you guys. So, another thing, too, if you come to this chart right here, my chart, right? This right here, this blue line here, I might have to take the MACD off, honestly. I might have to take that off and check out the relative strength as well, because we know it's strong. So this right here, though, I want to show you this. This bar right here is what happened last time. One full spike like this. This happened like last year or whatever. So my point is, this right here is about, what is it? Let me see. It's about like a 36, like a 35-cent spike. Okay, that's a lot of money that came in, like a 35-cent spike. And of course, you guys know buys are still coming in, but if that was to come in, we'd be sitting at about a $2.12 bone. Of course, there'd be some retracement, but for the most part, this blue line is actually what my support line is. You guys are probably looking at this one right here, but realistically, I've been saying that this is going to go parabolic. So it actually might even go more parabolic than the parabolic line for a little bit until it comes back and touches on it. But it should have already been here, to be honest, just retracing down here. But the the marketing of Shiba Inu has been on point. So now there's FOMO in the market. It's literally about to break $1.70. Okay, so they've been doing a good job. And it should have actually retraced down to about here and bounced up here. That's how I had it. But once they started with the summer of Shibarium, it really did just start taking off, honestly. And it's been in an upward trajectory the whole time. So this right here, let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit. Okay. This purple line right here, these two lines right here, is where last time, once it touched this line or surpassed it, it started going parabolic. And you can kind of see that it's actually going pretty crazy. It's mooning crazy. I'm expecting this resistant point to bring it down and have it turn this blue line into a resistance and turn this white line into a support and bounce up, of course. So, but once again, the buys have been coming in steadily. So maybe it'll continue its upward trajectory and hit. See, because at this point, we're today. It's the first. Okay, my analysis had this at the fifth. The fifth being when it probably would reach $2. But if it keeps doing this, it might actually reach $2 in 2 days. By August 3rd, it might actually reach $2. That's how crazy it's going. Of course, this is not financial advice. This is just me looking at the chart, and let's just quickly, in fact, check out the Ichimoku cloud just to see where it's stating that it might. Okay, so it might even retrace to 156. Okay, it might even retrace to 156 because it has been going up so much. There is people in profit, and a lot of these big buys, 20,000, 30,000, right now are sitting on some pretty good profits. So they might want to take some of that profit and it might retrace back here. Uh, and at the end of the day, though, bone at under $5 is a good deal. Bone under $4 is a really good deal. Bone under $3 is a great deal. Bone under $2 is a spectacular deal. And bone under $1 is most likely life changing. So, with that said, try to get closer to the life changing money. Okay, this right here is a project which will continue to go up. I did a couple of theoretical, hypothetical outcomes of where I think it could be. Go ahead and check those out as well. With that said, I go by Crypto Marxist, aka Bone Army, coming at you. I wanted you guys to check out the chart with me because it's going crazy. So right now, in fact, I don't want to get too much into it, but I'm in between a risky play because I want to increase my bone as well. So, but it's going up so much that now it's putting things in danger. So don't get yourself caught like me in a situation. Go ahead and secure your bone. Okay, secure your bone. Don't be risking it. Just accumulate. Risk everything else. Don't mess with your sheep. Don't mess with your leash. Don't mess with your shiboshis. Don't mess with your bone. All right, that's the main thing I would want you guys to check, take from this. But as well as you guys saw the volume, 36-cent candle before. So I went ahead and just retraced it, and now we could kind of guesstimate what would happen if that was to come into play. Now, that's why the title of this is Bone Can Hit $2 Instantly, because that's actually what happened. In fact, before I leave, let me just go ahead and show you guys. I don't want to make this video too long, but I do want you guys to understand what I'm actually talking about. Okay. So look at this. Look at how it went from $1.30, bop, bop, all the way to $2.03. And this is the fourth, and this is the so in 4 days it went from $1.30 to 2.70. So that's how parabolic this can go. In fact, let's go to New Year's though. Because New Year's, a similar situation. It was leading up. Oh yeah, that was actually it right here. Because everyone was talking about Shibarium dropping, and then the next month, same thing. This is Shibarium dropping. It was all fake hype. Now that they're telling us it's probably gonna drop August, there is no sick run up like a spike, but we do see that there is a consistent buy pressure, and once you cross for some reason, once Shibarium or once Bone crosses the 146, 150 mark, it starts to take off all the way to right here, actually to 176. So I'm expecting that if it doesn't retrace back to 156, it'll probably go to about 176. At 176, we'll start to get a little turbulence, because of the fact that that is where the resistance was last time. Okay, this is not financial advice, it's for informational purposes only. But if you got any value from this, if you are a part of the Bone Army, go ahead and hashtag Bone Army in the comments. Go ahead and hit that sub right now because I do check the analytics, and some of you guys, for some reason, watch my videos but don't sub. So that's crazy because it shows that you guys come back. So I don't know if you're getting notified that my videos are being put out there or if you guys just come back, but it shows you guys aren't sub. Go ahead and do yourselves a favor, get some value, in my opinion, because everything I'm putting out on this channel is 110% legit. No FOMO, no FUD, no blah, blah, blah. I'm not telling you Shiba Inu is going to a penny in a week. I'm not telling you Bone is going to $100 in a week. That's all bogus, and it's a type of FOMO. It's fake. So it creates a high expectation and then an even greater letdown. What I am going to tell you is that the Shiba Inu ecosystem is creating one of the most robust, utility latent layer 2 blockchains that Ethereum has ever seen. Okay, I'm talking about revolutionary, trailblazing technology. Okay, so with that said, you guys already know this is not just a pump and dump. This is Shiba Inu, this is Bone, this is Leash, this is the Shiboshis, this is Street, this is She, what will be most likely the world's digital stable coin eventually. Think about that. Think about how early we are. That's why I'm telling you guys, because I know everybody's budget is different. For some people $10 is 'Cause first of all, buying $10 is difficult. You're paying you're basically wasting half of it in gas fees, okay? But some people want to participate. And I myself have bought uh $30 of worth of something and paid like $20 worth of Ethereum gas fees. So I know what it's like. On top of that, I know maybe so for some people 100. Get yourself $100 worth, or get yourself 100 bone. This is not financial advice. This is just me telling you what I do if I was you, what you should be doing, in my honest opinion. So, with that said, the Bone Army, you already know. I wanted to give you guys a little taste. It's about to hit 170. This is probably one of your last opportunities to get Bone under $1.70. According to my analysis that I did, when it reaches $125 billion, which I believe it will. I believe Bone alone will hit $125 billion. And I believe Shiba Inu, Sheeb in particular, she will be at least a $500 billion project. So some people think that's crazy. Some people don't understand the power of, of what the decentralized, leaderless community can achieve. All right. So with that said, I appreciate all of you guys. I see the comments, I see the likes, I see my subs going up. So thank you guys so much for watching this much. If you guys even made it to the very end, yeah, hashtag what I told you the hashtag earlier, I even forgot, was it Bone Army? But put a one also. All right. So just put a one, a random one. That way I know you got to the end. Appreciate you. You're a real one. And I'm out.